guys, so welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful gorgeous unit from Premium Lace Wigs. Now, as always, I love to share with you guys all the goodies that I receive. You should be receiving pretty much the same things that I receive in my box. They be going ham with them lashes. They be so extra. It's time for the unit, you guys. I am obsessed with this wig, y'all. So obsessed. This is their deep curly lace front wig. It is a 24-inch and it's a full girl. She is 250 density. So she's full. Like when you brush her out, she's super full. I love this unit because of the edges, y'all. These are their 4C edge hairline. I personally prefer edges like this only because it gives it more of a natural look. Now the hairline does look like it's growing from your scalp. Honestly, as soon as you see this unit on my head, it's gonna look like it's my hairline. Y'all gonna see it, and you can't tell me it looks like a wig. And if you think it looks like a wig, you're being a hater. I'm just kidding, but it really doesn't look like a wig at all. It's so beautiful. Now it does come with a comb at the back, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle. As always, it comes with extra lace at the back. That means you can rock this unit in a low ponytail. Now I normally cut off the lace, obviously, because we don't want that lace on there, and I also go ahead and cut the combs on the side because, girl, those combs be giving me headache. I prefer my units with no combs at all. The only comb I usually keep is the one all the way at the back. And the reason for that is because the back comb actually keeps my wig even more secured. But the other 2 combs, I just feel like they're very much unnecessary. This is my personal opinion. Over the years of rocking wigs, I just feel like those 2 combs on the side, for me, you really don't need them. So because I noticed the unit was not, the knots were not bleached, I went ahead and bleached the unit and just pretty much customized it to my own liking. So I did not pluck this unit at all. I felt like it really didn't need much plucking, which is a plus for me. So that means less work for customizing this unit. But I did go ahead and wash this unit off camera, and I did shampoo and deep conditioned the unit, and then I kept it for at least 2 days for it to air dry. And boy, was I happy when I did that, because the curls turned out so beautiful, so delicious, honey, so stunning, y'all. This unit is probably one of my favorite curly units. I know I've said that, but like, this unit really does something, and I think it's because of them edges. Y'all see those 4C edges? They get me. Like, these are some really cute edges. Like, you can't tell me that does not look natural. This is actually with the unit bleached and with the foundation powder added to the unit, and I'm just like, I'm at all with this unit. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my got to be spray so I can glue this unit down. Now y'all see them baby hairs, them look so cute, but I'm not gonna lie, they did come a little bit long. So I did go ahead and just cut them down a little bit because I felt like they were just a little too long for my liking. But I do like the fact that they came a little bit long, so then you can cut them down if you don't like the length of them. Like, are you kidding me right now? Y'all see this unit? I'm just gonna go ahead and create my parting space. I'm gonna do a side part. We are low-key bringing them side parts back, okay? I am a side part type of girl. Middle parts, they cute and all, but side parts be doing something. But y'all, check out those curls. Check out those curls. They're so defined and so beautiful. The hair is extremely soft. And y'all see those baby hairs? They're a little bit long, so I did go back in and cut them down just a little bit. I'm telling y'all, they come a little too long, but that's good for me, because if they would have came short, then it would have looked funny. But customizing it in my own liking is just perfect for me. But y'all see how beautiful them edges is? I'm not even gonna apply no product. I'm just gonna leave it like that and just brush it out a little bit, and that's about it. So as always, check out the description box for this unit. If I have any discount codes, make sure you take advantage of that. It will be in the description box as well. As always, I love y'all so much. Now, Penasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.